Alright guys, so check out this amazing power bank. Alright, open this up. This is a 100 watt power bank. Little manual. Carrying case. Type C to Type C cable. And this is it. Alright guys, this is officially the coolest power bank that I've ever seen. I love how you can see the internals. So let's see, press and hold. Oh my word, this is so cool. What? Look at this, guys. Everything is live. The voltage is live. Amps, temperature. So I wonder if we can change it to Fahrenheit. Let's see. You guys have DC in or out, Type C in or out, USB out, USB-C out. Do not insert any input devices when the DC output is switched on. So, okay. So we're going to go ahead and press and hold. Whoa! You got all these different settings? Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, there we go. Temperature. There we go. Nice! So cool. So you can go through all of these settings. Timer, sleep display, power off, exit. So let's see if you press and hold and just hold. Okay, so you will go the whole way over to power off. And then you just press and hold for power off. Alright, let's go ahead and plug in a device. Alright guys, check this out. So, we have it plugged in, and now you can read the settings, how many watts are coming out. It's like a slow charge as well. So, that is awesome. This is totally cool. This is definitely the #1 power bank I've ever reviewed. Hands down, by far, the best power bank ever.